Okay, so to manually open this latch, so I've got, that's the old one and that's the new one. So to get to underneath here, there's a metal piece underneath here that we have to pull this way to open this latch. So under here, that metal piece, this piece here, that's what we need to pull. So I just use this hook, get into the hole and pull that way, and that unlatched the tailgate and then it opened. Okay, so to get access to the latch, which is down here, we first have to pull out this piece, and then we take out this piece. Right here, there's a screw that we have to undo, and also behind here there's another screw. So this comes out, and then to remove this piece, we've got to take out this piece, which is, there's a screw here, a plastic rivet there, and a plastic rivet down there. So we'll take this piece out. Now there's a screw here, one under here, one here, and also one here, and that comes out. So as you can see, I'll remove the battery so that I was able to unlatch this, which I'll show in detail later. And now we'll take out this broken latch. Okay, so we'll undo this cable. That comes out. And remove this cable here. This should just lift up. Here we go. And we'll unhook the cable. Okay, so for the cable, we squeeze this thing down and that should pull out. This one, same thing, there should be something to squeeze down. That's this one. There we go. Okay, that's out. So the latch was sitting like this. When this failed, we couldn't open the tailgate. So what we had to do was get under here. I'll take this out so you can see. Under here, we actually moved this metal piece with a screwdriver like that to undo the latch.
Do not do this.
Yeah, you can't push this from the top, even when it was closed, which was like that. We actually have to move this metal piece down here, and that's what unlatched. So after we put in the new one, it still wasn't opening normally. So what I had to do was I put the screwdriver in here, pretending to be the tailgate closing. I just push it down to make it like the tailgate was closing, and then unhook it a few times before it actually started opening normally. We've checked the fuses as well. This one, I think this is 137, 141, and also this one is 200. We checked all the fuses, it was all fine. So it wasn't the fuse, so it was the latch, but it's now working.